Hello everyone, thank you so very much for visiting my cooking channel here at Cooking with G Dubs, and I'm your host G Dubs. And I want to give you a little background about our cooking channel and what we do over here. On my cooking channel, I feature a lot of Caribbean, Southern, and Italian dishes, all different varieties for you to learn how to cook very easily. And my background is, I grew up in Brooklyn, New York in a Caribbean community. My background is Caribbean, and I grew up in a Caribbean community which exposed me to all kinds of different dishes. And then when I was a teenager, I moved to the suburbs, and there I was exposed to a lot of Italian dishes. And all of those different varieties was absolutely wonderful. And then when I became an adult, I moved to the southern part of the United States, and here I learned how to cook a lot of southern dishes. So my family is able to enjoy a fusion of all of those dishes, and they absolutely love it. And I wanted to share that same experience with you. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe, send me a comment. I definitely will try my best to read them. And also click the notification, so when I have a new video that I post, you'll be the first to get it. So again, I want to say thank you so very much for everyone for visiting us here at Cooking with G Dubs. Don't forget to tell a friend, like and subscribe, tell somebody you care about, tell everybody for that matter, to come check us out. We make a lot of dishes that's very healthy, that's keto friendly, that'll help you lose weight, because when I start doing this cooking channel, I was able to lose 30 pounds, all right, because of cooking very healthy. All right, and I want to share that same experience with you. So again, thank you again for visiting us. Until the next video, peace.